I mean, I can't imagine how long it would take to read this, even if I knew Latin. My name is Bob Connors. I'm a retired tax attorney. During my retirement, I've focused on two things. One is travel, and the other is study. And in connection with my study at the University of Chicago, I've started collecting old books. I've always loved books. Many of them are books that I've read in a modern version. And being able to get a semi-original, at least a very old version of those books was something that I thought would be more fun than golf, I guess. October of last year, I was diagnosed with cancer. Part of it, frankly, is I'm at this point into legacy. You know, what will be left behind? I was working downtown. I wanted to take some literature classes. This one class sounded really interesting. And it was only when I got there the first day that I found out that it was actually the first quarter of a 4-year sequence called the basic program. And that's kind of how I viewed these books, as something I could share with people. It's like an art collection. You know, there's a lot of history in those books. They've been around for a long time. They survived for 500 years. That's why I'm hoping they'll be around for a good long time further when they're cared for by the University Library much better than I can care for them here. And the fact that they're willing to name the collection after me, good. That's something I could show my kids.